Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be replacing this driver's side mirror on a 2019 Ram 2500. This thing is super easy to do. In fact, I'd be surprised if anyone even watches this video, but here we go. One of the vendors was driving through the parking lot and clipped it and broke it, and that's why I'm doing it. This one was out on the lot for sale. So you're going to pull all these plastic push pins on the circumference of this inside door panel out. Then with the trim stick, you'll lift up the master window switch. Just pops straight up, slip it out, disconnect it. This inside trim piece, pop it out. The upper trim, pop it off. There's a big screw that goes into a plastic nut. You'll pop that out or screw that out, and this door handle trim will pop out. And slide that out and get it out of your way. And this door panel just slips straight up and out, kind of like the older Chevrolets. And we're going to go ahead and pull this wiring harness, the push clips, and then disconnect it from the module. And there's 3 nuts that hold this mirror on. Pull the nuts off, and this mirror is ready to slide out. That's simple. And then just snake the wiring through. There's the new part number I'm installing. Looks like a Mopar part. And once you install this, you don't need to do any programming. It's a plug and play. Clean up the door. Slip the wiring through. Line the 3 studs in the holes without scratching anything. Slip it in there. And there's a push clip that you just take your hand and pop it in there into the door and install the nuts. Tighten those down. Just kind of work all 3 of them until it's snugged up. Don't go crazy here. Reinstall the wiring. Connect it back into the module. Looks good. Install the door panel. Line up the lock rod. Pull up the wiring for the master window switch. Get it started and then push it down. Well, once you got it lined up, it'll slip into the tabs. And we're installed. Reinstall the handle trim. Snap it back in. Tighten up the screw. Install the cover. Just snaps in there. Reinstall the master window switch. Slip it in there and just pops back down into place. Really nice. Install the push retainers The plastic screws, you don't need to screw them in, just push them in with your thumb. There we go. That one's installed, and we're going to double check it. Yeah, works good. That's it for this one. Easy peasy. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.